North Broad Street, and Routes 22 westbound by Warrenville Road. That's construction work. At least one lane is out.
Cool vocals, very high-pitched vocals. Every time I listen to it, I'm like, these are really, really high, but still really enjoyable, I think. It's been kind of a sleepy vibe so far. The songs have been playing kind of guitar, quiet. But it just will change because we're going to hear a bit more guitar, a bit more loudness, a bit more, dare I say, emo. I don't know if we're going to get into pure emo today, but it will definitely be stuff in that scene. Before I...
Sunny and breezy, just a little bit on the cool side.
Community criminalized by local police, ICE, exploitative employers, racial profiling, and the detention and deportation system.
Lab in China and the wet market.
Mix.